Hi everyone! This week you will be revising the personal narrative essay that you've been working on. So to start, let's look at this handout, The Logic of Revision in the English 1A class. And I just want you to look at one paragraph here. It says, perhaps the most common mistake that student writers make is to slight the work of revising, either by trying to conceive and draft an entire text from start to end in a single sitting, without pausing to consider alternate ways of developing their ideas, or by worrying so much about issues of correctness that they hardly allow themselves to think about anything else. It's completely possible to create a text that is wonderfully designed, phrased, formatted, edited, and proofread, but that says almost nothing. Many students enter college without really having been asked to rethink their views on an issue or to restructure the approach they've taken in an essay. And we'll skip to here. They've been taught how to edit, but not how to revise. So revision is a very important part of the writing process. It does not mean fixing surface errors like punctuation. This is a look at the structure and meaning of your essay. So to help you with this revision, I'd like you to do this assignment in 149 this week, which examines some of these aspects. So first of all, ask yourself, what is it that you want to accomplish in this essay? What motivates you to write about this topic, first of all? Since this is a personal narrative, hopefully you're sharing something important to you. The next question is, does every paragraph in your essay focus on only one idea at a time? Remember, this is a problem that plagues even advanced writers, is sometimes we stray from the topic at hand. So examine each paragraph in the essay and make sure that you're only developing one idea at a time. If you have a paragraph that shifts into a new idea, even if it's related, usually you need to start a new paragraph there. Next, what is the one main idea you want to get across to readers through the story? Your story should be developing one main idea. Now, if you think about An American Childhood, The Chase by Annie Dillard that we read a couple weeks ago, that story had that main idea of flinging yourself wholeheartedly into anything that you do. So your story as well should have some kind of underlying main idea behind it, and you want to make sure that that idea is threaded throughout the story. Next, do you think your story successfully focuses on and develops that one main idea? If you notice commentary in your writing which strays from that main idea or doesn't contribute to its development, then you need to eliminate it. And finally, does your conclusion show the significance of your main idea? What is it? And do you show through reflection the importance of what you have to say? So remember, your conclusion is a place of meaning making. This is where you should be returning full circle to that main idea, but you're not just restating it word for word. You're reflecting on it, you're digging deeper, you're showing readers why that idea matters. So I think this will help you to take a good look at your essay and maybe notice some areas for revision. And if you have any questions, please email me.